The advanced defense system operates continuously in 360-degree panoramic awareness mode. Here, a speedboat and a cargo vessel enter the monitored area. Both are classified as low-threat targets. The tower operator enlarges the view for a closer inspection. The PTZ panel and map can be temporarily hidden for a clearer display. The cargo vessel is verified as friendly, matched by Vision AI against the registered ship database. The target can now be ignored. The control bar can also be switched to show active targets only. Suddenly, an unidentified patrol boat enters the monitored area and is immediately assessed as a high-threat target. Shortly after, a DJI drone is detected and assessed as a medium threat. The tactical map now shows all 3 active targets in real time. Zooming into 5 times and dragging the view to center the patrol boat for further action. Target acquisition is initiated. The camera then rotates toward the patrol boat. The interface automatically transitions to dual view. One screen retains the last panoramic frame as a situational reference, while the other shows the live target acquisition view. Tracking is enabled. The patrol boat's track is continuously updated on the tactical map. Live tracking data, including range, speed, and bearing, updates in real time. To keep the view focused, non-essential panels are hidden. The tactical map and IR live view are enlarged for closer monitoring. Matching reference imagery and vessel details are retrieved from the database and presented in the target dossier. As the situation develops, the tower operator alerts the command center. With a shared operational view, the command center immediately gains full situational awareness. The operator there reviews the live feeds and designates a nearby destroyer to intercept the intruding vessel. The response unit rapidly approaches the target area. The unauthorized vessel is forced to leave the guarded maritime zone. The intrusion is successfully resolved. Shortly afterward, the AI upgrades the drone to a high-threat target based on abnormal flight patterns, engaged by the command center operator. Tracking begins. The command center opts for electronic signal interference. Electronic interference deployed. The drone loses operational stability and exits the protected area. The threat is neutralized. The operator clicks back. The camera resumes continuous panoramic rendering instead of following a specific target. Expand the panoramic view across both displays for clearer 360-degree situational awareness. Only the low-threat speedboat remains active within the monitored area. Persistent awareness continues.